WhatsApp is rolling out usernames, which let people message a business without ever sharing a phone number. We've added support for this feature, so these customers are captured as contacts automatically from the moment the feature reaches your market. Let's check what has changed and what is still the same. When a WhatsApp user who has adopted a username messages your business for the very first time, your CRM creates a contact from their username and business scoped user ID. Every phone-based conversation continues unchanged. You send and receive messages with phone numbers with no difference in behavior. Importing contacts by phone number works exactly as it does today. Nothing about your import flow changes. Your current contacts, their records, and their full conversation history stay intact. No migration, no disruption to running automations. Contact creation for username adopters is on automatically. Phone number messaging, imports, and your existing contacts continue to work as they always have. We hope you enjoy it.